Send out the lava, man.
Next on stage, we have
I wait.
Aishana.
Aishana there.
Aishana.
Budak, we must do what is there. Fire! Fire! Lava! Bado! Fire! Come on, brother, you know what dialing see? Come off my baby chair. When I broke my baby chair.
You can't go play in a bar.
Stop bootar. Stop bootar.
So Michaela go
When I broke my baby chair. Michaela. Michaela. Jesus Christ. Michaela. Y'all bite back. Y'all stop laugh. Shut up my chair. And take care of me. But I turn around and you're standing here. Baby, did you finish the cooking? I almost finished the cooking for you, Baby, can you do me a favor? What is it now? I want to go to Dubai. Do you buy anything in this house? Not Dubai, the country. I'm talking about the party in New Jersey with Gallus and Pals and Jeffrey. What kind of party is this? It is an elegant party, baby. We have to wear suit and dress, baby. I know this Dubai party. Hey, please, baby, I want to go to party. Talking about you want to go to Dubai with Galaxy. Baby, now. Hey, what? Woman, I will kill you. I will cook my dinner so I can eat. Okay. Abutu has lost her blasting mind. Hey, Abutu, bring that food, come here. I'm coming with your dinner. Here you go, baby. Come. Y'all watch Nickelodeon. Instant block kan delete. I see the face niya. Don't know the money set na agad. Is it 100% na ba yun?
Go to God. Boom. Check this out. This is the channel. Them no in a yearly.
Life again. Make it better. Go fit. But if you live in I know the word elephant, God, elephant, man, and I remember anything. David Tanner. Scoopy!
That's not Disney Channel.
Oh, God, we never read that. I never know. Sorry.
Why yo, this is the unruly boss. Ain't no bumbo clad. Anda. And if I go now, Mickey Mouse at Disney Channel can suck their mother. You kill them crazy now.
Disney time come. Nickelodeon off get shut down. See me I say, you know, it's by Cartel, aka the teacher. I know they up on the panel. And the boy for what you say for now watch Disney Channel.
Yannick, urban piece now? Mind fatty they're gonna play, you know? Cho. Yannick, you piss me off now. Urban piece now, man, cho. Yannick, mala come. Natty, I can't touch him, you know.
Yo, him aggressive?
No, man, him no bite.
Selassie, yay.
Do not stop it. Max,
Jaja.
you have the money. Max.
Jaja.
Natty, pull no, Natty. Natty, pull no.
Jaja. You don't see me a pull, aya.
Stronger than that, stronger than that.
Today we have Cristiano Ronaldo in studio. So Ronaldo, how do you feel about Messi and Argentina dropping out so early?
Well, it's an unbelievable feeling.
You go on there. Well anyways, Maradona has said Messi is the best player in the world. But you say you don't understand him. What do you feel about that?
But I still don't understand him.
You go on until them cancel my show. You go on here. Who you feel are going to win the worst player for the world?
To be honest, I think you're gonna win. Messi gonna win this year.
Christy, stop calling people name for my show. Now I beg you, just stop calling people name for my show. So who you feel are the best player in the world?
It's me.
Dog, you hype, you know?
But it's true.
So why them out to give you the Ballon d'Or?
Because they're looking for the best player in the world. So,
You can see it.
well, I try my best.
So how much you plan to score a World Cup, yeah?
I don't know. 10, 11, 12. I don't know.
Impressive. So you feel you can beat Uruguay easily?
To speak serious, it's not easy.
Wish you the best. I'm hoping you drop out like someone who call themselves the good.
That's what I'm saying. You don't know what time you know, you see me? Disney run out content with the 16 bomber. You see me? I represent for a thing called Disney Channel. Sparta! All right, Disney fans, them got some. All right, Disney fans, them got some.
Moses.
Yeah.
This is an ad for Disney Channel, so stick to the program. It's not a stage show, okay? Yeah.
Oh, na. This is Beanie Man, representing for Disney Channel, not Nickelodeon. Disney Channel, Mickey Mouse. Disney Channel, in a Cartoon Network. Up here, see? Dig down here, represent for Disney Channel. Disney.
Grace, please remember, no curse words, okay?
Oh, that's fine, that's fine.
Okay, action.
Come on, damn, I want to hear about Mickey has something like it. Bring the body, come and let me ride it. First episode of the dance app with SPIC is Spice. I represent it for Disney Channel.
Cut.
No, I mean, it's not Oh, this. Hello?
Is this Jackie or?
Yeah.
Is this the man from Hanover, Jamaica?
I said, I cure this. I owe this.
You know who this
Big man,
is.
I don't know where. I'm saying, I owe this.
You think you don't know, but you do know.
Bad man, I say, I owe you.
You think you don't know, but you do know. So, tell me what you know.
Stop ramping on.
I'm the king of afternoon radio.
I'm the king of Wakanda. I said, I don't know you bad man. I owe you.
I told you, you know. You think you don't know. What is a cat and also a
Big
rabbit?
man, now that's time. So I waste my time because time is money.
This is Barry G the Boogeyman.
You can chat, so man. How you want?
I want some dubs.
$1,000 US for a dub, you know.
That is too much. I have 200 US.
Bargy, I thought I a bumbo clash, you know, I'll put partner job. You take man to Bargy. Man a Rasta, you know, man a Rasta.
I know you are a star.
A fashion over man a wear, you know. You feel man, bro.
Brainstorm.
God brainstorm, they a big stink. What the fuck come from the Bargy? Jezebel, how you ball up my name so for my girl out there? Nobody not dead, I find a remedy for you. Which remedy? After I'm sick, you leopard skin. Leopard skin, I'm an animal. Where's your skin? What is what we are talking about? When you buy stuff, I'm about my business. You know? It name Mega-licious. Say it with me. Mega-licious. Licious. They have enough more products for acne scars. Them can even your skin because you know your skin can cover color more while too. So it you use? Yes, I eat me using it so my skin just nice. I'm just, my dimples them start show. Yeah, and guess what too? Them can eat a stretch mark. I tell you, stretch mark? No, what do you mean again? Licious. I recommend them to my friend them. Remember Carrie? With a Carrie. She breathe enough, you know. You want to see her belly, it don't look good. Tiger stripes. I forget it, you have to get it because it makes my skin feel so soft and nice and moisturized. Like, you know about them? I've been for like 2 years now. So you know about them so long I know you tell me? And everything I can tell you. And you say you're a friend though. So, leave my house. Don't like it. Yeah, you know, look more. But remember, DM them because they need it because your skin don't look good. Good evening, gentlemen, boys and girls. Now, ladies, I have a question. Say, for instance, you have a good man, right? Him believe in a God, him believe in a family, him good in a bed and everything. But him cheat time to time. Would you leave him? And if you woulda leave him, why would you leave him? Is it because you coulda cheat on him and you never cheat on him? Or is it because you look like one big idiot? Because personally, me not cheat. No, that's not one lie. I cheat on everything. Cheat on my ex, I cheat on my test. Me even cheat on my car right now. I have a side Corolla. But that's besides the point. Don't fuck a fuckery. Because you can't give a good girlfriend bonus and look a butter ears girl where I fuck on the whole place. But some fuck makes sense. Because look, if Bob Marley never cheat on Rita Marley, would I never have Junior and Gang? Enough for we, including myself, should remember that we are products of infidelity. If I never for certain wrongs, we would there. And ladies, sometimes I feel like I'm too quick for jump the gun. Only for inhale and exhale before you make the decisions like why you are gonna leave your prince or your king for look a bun. Remember say, well, we are human. And I know we're not perfect. What the fuck, I'm a son of God. And if I can do 4 out of 5 things, it means you are gonna left me because I can do one thing. Me believe say you have to just honest with your partner from the start. That's just my opinion still. But I just want to know what you think about that situation.
Nothing at all. Not tell me that, man. From you come out the car, I give me a B. Alright, something wrong with me. I want the fur toe slippers then, the new one them. So then what do you get that for you? Me not care. I want a Jamaican one there for regular Labor Day parade. Alright, then me bite. Anyways, Jay, who named Jennifer? Jennifer? You have to be more specific when you say Jennifer, you know, because you have Jennifer Aniston, you have Jennifer Hudson. All J-Lo named Jennifer, so I know who you are. Jennifer, brown Jennifer. Jennifer, we are DM. Mumsel, you got your phone again, Mumsel? Yes. Mumsel, me not tell you stop got your bumbuckler phone. That's not the point right now. You know, see you're selfish. You're very selfish. I know myself. I sell crab, lobster, and as next week, I start sell oysters. You see, everything I take for joke. Honestly, something don't right about you. So left. If things are right, then left, no? CJ, the reason I'm behave saying that because my auntie and from when you give me a nice piece of fuck. Oh, your auntie? Yeah. Your auntie? So you want fuck? Yeah. Alright. Hold that condom, yeah? Where you give me this for? I'm gonna fuck yourself! What am I bumbo clock here? I'm gonna buy Jennifer the fur toe slippers, them and I'll buy you. Buy me, buy them. Don't slam my door now. Bitch.
Oh. Floss!
I did that.
You go hard!
You know the thing already, my youth?
You see a Louis Vuitton suit? God damn.
You want some blood clot Versace suit that me I wear next week?
You see when you go Moscato? You see when you go... You see when you go Moet? Daddy, me I tell you, you see y'all on the left side, on the right side? Clean sweep.
You know, say I saw the thing set, man. I'm a dentist, send me a flask to water from what
When me hear your name call about 15 times, dog, 10 grand pull up. Me I say, no, man, who you work with?
Brother, you know, say me don't go party DJ and eat, man. But anyways, Dino, what you know? Can't have 2 grand, look more.
Oh, me need that year, me lock me out.
So me I say, if you can't have 2 grand, me rent one pay.
Go here.
2 grand money,
who did that flask last night?
Me, you know, say me, man.
Who did got money pull up last night?
Me, that.
Exactly. Hey, you see me work around like bad man?
Where you try?
You see your suit, where you have on, and you see you dressed like whoever. You better walk it like you talk it. Go here.
John, so the one I deal with me.
You know, some want to talk about something today. Cause when I get from bad to worse. Someone have some blood clot dirty ways and really want to look for me and tell me say because of the month on the born in. Like just a while ago, I look for my girl and I tell her she's too stubborn. She go look for me and tell me say because she want Taurus. Me say bitch, the only Taurus me know a Taurus Riley, you know. So basically, she tell me say because she born a certain time of the year, she will stay stubborn for the rest of her life. But guess what I find out? None of you know some have dirty ways, but you don't want to change the dirty ways. So you use the zodiac sign them and the months them as excuse. But when me want to know right now, which zodiac sign make you broke? What you gonna do? You gonna blame Sagittarius? You gonna blame Pisces why you broke and nothing not going for you? You gonna blame Cancer why you can't help your pitney with him homework? You gonna blame Capricorn because all they do is sleep like Jesus in a slavery time? All I wanna have big people and I know exactly what I do. Changing the dirty ways. Goodbye.
I say we run things the right way. But in all the bush and butter pee. We run things the right way. Big up my brother when him Joey. Hear me a say no? I want some boy. What you want? What you talk to? Lord, boy be dead. Gunshot music on the head, boy be dead. I bet you born on your bed, boy be dead. Oh, you the big mama peg, boy be dead. Yeah, TT. Yeah, Baxo. Yeah, some boy. Hear me now. My other gun them, so me I go kill them. Gun them big, like Uncle Phil them. Yeah, foreign on the face of God. No more rain, I just face snow. When I take on my toe, and you know, all things
go. Baby, you me want, and you make me pussy come fast. Smooth like a lotion. Body no gritty like the beats and body in a wave like the ocean.
Baby, just want to love
this
you and treat you right,
explosion. Me well harder.
Hey, come here. Come on for me. You mean want to me? You're not going far, right? But when you beat up my pussy like it, do you something. Shoot me, stab me, do something. Me just do you make love to me, eh? All you do a chat. You Barry G, all I talk about you want to love and treat me right. I'm look like Rita Marley. You're wet, bird. You just soft. When you rough me up, stab me up, cut me up, shoot me. When you choke me 1 second away from death. And that will come here for. Then you want that? Leave me your last name, you come and talk about fuckery. Where's the baby girl? You ready? Yeah, man. I'll put you ready and I'm ready too, so I'm not going to leave the house. Yeah, man, like you know, come home. I'll come at the wrong house.
What do you do, brother?
The day I be G.
Good?
You don't lag me and wait for your wallet.
Man, you know, say big man, there is a food my belly all over the exact me.
What was smell so? Me smell shit.
What's me I said that?
You step in a do?
Man, you talk, brother. You don't do no you.
What you got?
I tell you so that I love foreign dad. The girl have me I try some new things, brother. Me I tell you what. Big man is that you don't even know any of that. Them girl like different type of freak.
No, dog, me I smell do.
Wait. What's me I smell it to dog?
Why give me my spliff?
It smells close. See how the girl eh? Bye. Babes. I want a body punch here, you. Yeah, eat a lot. I want to hear what, man? I never met an ugly fucker so ugly like you. Ugly like you. And I never met an ugly fucker that ugly than you. Ugly than you. Yeah, you are ugly like my ugly mother. Ugly like my ugly father. Ugly like my ugly sister. Ugly like my ugly brother. You are the ugliest thing I've ever seen. And for you this song I say all my life. All my life. I never see someone ugly like you. You're ugly like. And I think that them for put you back in the fucking zoo. Ooh, all my life. I never see someone ugly like you. Me never. And I think that them for put you back in the zoo. Alcohol, bitches and whore. The other night, me go look for my girlfriend uptown in a star. But pass some girl in a one nice fancy car. All of a sudden, everybody want par. Next thing you know, black girl want me, brown girl want me, Chinese girl want me, girl bite me up. How will be them girl, man?
You are a line of top Butter Ears girl from Alcor. 12 Butter Ears Avenue. Call 345-556.
Alcohol, bitches and whore.
Live to play 154, red Honda, you block it. Let's go! Remember earlier, visit the bar, visit the bar, visit the bar.
The man
is so angry.
Bye in a body boy head. Who why not promote no nasty man, they not fit dead.
Cause they don't know, yeah.
They don't know. What you say?
They don't know master. Come on,
Remember it early, you know. Remember it early. Do remember Utopia, September 21st. You don't know. Ready?
I feel free. Tryna get no boy can't back me up. No man out here that will laugh with people. Rise in my dick. Gotta set things up.
baby, me can't hold it for a ball. 12 seconds later.
You don't know the police them say I hate that in it.
You're Anatol, downtown, Portmore. You're some pussy. You're talking about bumbo clap like you're some man dog. You're play straight. Play the bumbo clap straight. Yo. You hear there? That's a camera. Oh, Alexa. That's a camera. Let me know. Watch out. That's a camera. My brother sister. Anti-cousin brother sister. That's better.
Caribbean love. Ailey. Blessings. How you look today?
I'm call the Empress and see what the Empress want, don't it? Hello, Empress? Yeah, I at this place called Rasta Stan, in Patterson. What the Empress want? Empress, you know, so that I don't buy those things in the Empress. Alright, Empress.
Let me get a stew. Let me get one stew fish for the rest, please.
No, Fireman. The next stew.
Let me get one stew chunks for the rest, please.
The next stew.
What kind of stew you talk about, Fireman?
The stew hog.
Hog?
Stew pork. Share myself here. You're not share. Empress, you want enough gravy? Enough gravy here, Aya?
Just give me $10. Miss yourself here.
So yeah, so the phone ring. I got that waiting on your phone with Empress all along. Are you want the bomb? Are you want the bomb? It's a Mr. Beef thing, boy.
So you want the pork?
I can't explain, Aya. Remember, you know, Rasta is a lion. And from my barn, I never see a lion eat one grass. Yeah, that's why I go down here.
Guess what? Alkaline stop run dance. Why? Because him run out of battery. Get it? Alkaline battery?
That's not funny.
Anyways,
You have a Blu-ray, right?
Blu-ray of the day rave I keep up at Orlando, November the 3rd.
Yeah, it's same one, brother. Book for that long time. You want to see my beats, but you want to tell you what me I wear.
That's it.
I'm not telling you what me I wear then, dog. All I want to know is that I go clean, brother. Yo, remember the brownie we meet last week? Me and our boy in the youth. I want to tell us me and the brownie sister go party.
I talk to the sister.
You not got no Blu-ray with no brownie. And me I go, you can have a Blu-ray too. Why you stay so you see big people at all? Who you talk to, sir? Shut them up, man.
You just some pussy last night, you know that chat, so. You remember Boaz?
Yeah, your friend are Boaz.
Yeah, dog.
Yeah, me a Boaz too, dog. Bumbo club. I never know see how you pussy, dog.
Yeah, Boaz too, dog. Bumbo club.
So wait there. In a shy Boaz group chat?
I mean him tongue twister in the group chat.
Are you name tongue twister?
Yes.
Dog, I never know, man. I mean him Swirl.
Swirl, of course, me know you, dog. Man, pick up yourself, man.
Yeah, share Blu-ray together. Boaz unite.
Boaz unite forever.